Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do these heatless curls using nothing but the belt of my bathrobe. No heat whatsoever. So if you're interested to see how I do it, then just continue to watch.
That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Juliet and I do so many different kinds of content on this channel. So if you're interested in sticking around, there's a little subscribe button down there in red somewhere. I would love for you to click that if you like what you see. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, so it's quite late on and I'm just about to go to bed, so I thought I'd show you exactly how I do this hair trick. What you are going to need is a belt like rope off your dressing gown, and then I've also got a couple of bobbles on my arm or hair ties, and then I've just brushed through all my hair. Now a lot of people say to wet your hair, but because I've got extensions in, it's really not advised to go to bed with extensions wet. So you can spritz them with a bit of water if you like, but I'm not going to. And what you do is you want to split your hair down the middle, all the way down the back. Keep your parting at the front where you want it. I'll just keep it in a middle parting just to make it a bit easier, but you can put it in a side parting if you want to. And then this is where the magic happens. So you get your belt off your dressing gown, make sure it's even, and you place it on your head like as if you were wearing a headband, and you just leave it like so. Now I'm going to start on this side. So you want to start, I like to start quite high, or as high as possible. So you take a section of hair, can you see how much I've got there? And you wrap it over and around the belt loop, and then you grab your neck section here, and what you want to do is you want to add that to the other piece of hair that you've got underneath here. You get a bit closer, so you want to add that to the piece you've just put over, and then you want to wrap that over as well. Then when you've got that around the other side, you want to get another bit, add it in with that hair. I'm trying to do it so you can see it, and also do my own. Okay, and I like to try and get it as tight to my head up here, and wrap it around like so, and then you just keep going. So get another piece, about another inch, the piece that you've already had, and then wrap around. And then you want to just keep going all the way down, around, and you want to get it quite tight. I like to get it quite tight so that if it does come apart, the belt's keeping it nice and tight. Now as I get down the bottom, I have made the mistake of making these sections a little bit too small. So I just like to take a bit bigger sections down here when I get to the back, just so the curls aren't as tight. So pop that in, and then I'll probably do that last one as one curl like that. Then once you're down to the bottom, you just twizzle it around as much as you can. And then when you get to the bottom here, you just get a bobble and secure it in. Now, I like to double over the belt loop like so, because otherwise there's just loads of belt loop. So I just do that and just kind of like tie the belt loop in with it as well. You can see how that is. Now like I say, this is like loosening up a bit, but don't worry so much. Like you can always just twist it back around and shove it down your top, which is what I've been doing, but I don't think it makes much difference. So I'm just going to show you on this side. So this side is all done now. This is the same. So you get your first front section and you wrap it round the belt and then under. So this is the bit. You grab your neck section with that other bit there and wrap it around. Like so. Grab your neck section, do that, wrap it around. It's kind of like a mermaid plait, if you've ever done mermaid plaits, where you like just add a little bit more in. If I'm honest, I've never been able to do a mermaid plait, so it's probably a really bad example. Just keep going. Like I say, I'll try to keep this bit up here tight to my head. Grab another bit. Round. And you literally just keep going. And it's actually really comfortable, like it's not tight at all. And the reason I love this is because, like I say, I've got extensions in, so to use less heat is really good, but also you have to sleep with extensions braided, so it kind of like kills two birds with one stone, because it curls my hair and it's keeping it nice and neat overnight. So that's that. Just keep going around, and again, once you get to the bottom, just secure it in place. And you don't have to fold up your belt loop like this if you don't want to. It's just that I do because it just keeps it out of the way. So like I say, I've just literally wrapped them and tucked them into my top, and I'm just going to go to sleep like this. So this is what it looks like as I'm going to sleep now. Twizzle that a bit more. I don't think it really matters, but yeah, that's it. I'm going to sleep and I will show it you in the morning. Hi guys, so it is the next morning now. As you can see, I've been asleep, I've just got out of bed, and I'm going to show you exactly what these curls look like. So all you need to do is take out your elastic bands from the night before. So I'm going to do that. You wait guys, honestly, I can't explain how good these curls look. So it's going to bubble out, and then you just want to like take your hair off the headband bit by bit. So, and then I'm just going to take off this one. And then do the same. And that is it. So once you've taken this off, you just want to like, I always brush through it a little bit with my fingers. And it will drop a little bit throughout the day. Like if this is a bit too curly for some people, like it does drop. But honestly, look at those curls. Look at such a natural heatless wave, and no heat, well I've just said heatless, no heat whatsoever. I just can't get over it. I think it's such a good way of like waking up with your hair styled, especially if like you're a mom, you've got the school run and you want to look put together but you can't sit there and curl your hair. I think this is just incredible. I think it's just so amazing. So yeah, I thought I'd quickly show it you. But thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. And until next time guys, take care, bye.